So Smile Makeover, it's, you know, if you come in, there's something that you don't appreciate about your smile, whether you have, you know, sweet tea stains, your morning coffee stain, or heck, you're just a big fan of all the different types of berries we grow around here. Personally, I'm a blackberry, mulberry fan. But, you know, things stain your teeth. You can come in and have a smile makeover that's just as simple as polishing and buffing everything out and getting you back to your natural, your widest natural smile. Or if decay is set in or old fillings are present that no longer match or have broken down, it's, for most individuals, it's a one-day appointment. We come in and do a treatment planning session first and figure out my way of making your smile to where you want it to be or where it was. But typically, we don't have to do anything more than do some resin veneer work, which in my clinic, we can do the resin veneer work from canine to canine, which is the majority of most people's smile, for the equivalent cost of a single crown or veneer that is porcelain. We do color matching of the resin, and you can see in the other spaces of my website, whether below or where have you, there'll be a little link somewhere, and you can go see 2 examples of same-day smile rehab.